Today, we're going to explore the true meaning of 5 quotes that many people misunderstand. 5 quotes that many people misunderstand. First, genius is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. This quote is often used to emphasize the importance of hard work. The idea that 99% of success comes from effort seems reasonable. However, this is a complete misunderstanding. When Edison made this statement, he was in a rivalry with Gauss. They were also the leading figures of the opposing direct current and alternating current camps. Edison's statement was a swaggering jab at Gauss, implying, no matter how hard you work, without that 1%, you can never be a genius like me. Second, the difference between a person who knows quantum mechanics and one who doesn't is greater than the difference between a person who doesn't know quantum mechanics and a monkey. A person who doesn't know quantum mechanics is no different from a goldfish. This statement is sometimes misinterpreted as Gell-Mann claiming that quantum mechanics is easy to understand, or as an expression of a physicist's arrogance in belittling those who don't understand it. It was truly shocking. In reality, this quote exaggerates how complex and profound quantum mechanics is, highlighting just how difficult it is to grasp. This idea is in line with what Richard Feynman famously said, "Nobody understands quantum mechanics." He also mentioned, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, then you either have gone crazy or you're lying." Feynman himself admitted that he was merely describing the results, not truly understanding them. Third, God does not play dice with the universe. Einstein was one of the pioneers of quantum mechanics. By introducing the concept of photons through his theory of the photoelectric effect, he helped usher in the era of quantum mechanics. It's not so much that Einstein rejected quantum mechanics itself, but rather one of its leading interpretations at the time, the Copenhagen interpretation. He was particularly opposed to the non-locality aspect, which contradicted his theory of special relativity. However, today, the vast majority of scientists accept the Copenhagen interpretation, and Einstein's objections have been proven incorrect. Ironically, through these scientific debates, the weaknesses of quantum mechanics were significantly strengthened, and Einstein remains one of the most influential contributors to the field. Fourth, Darwin's natural selection. Many people interpret Darwin's theory of natural selection as nature selects the strong, which is why life evolves. But this is not accurate. Darwin did not say that the strong survive. Instead, he argued that those who adapt to natural changes survive. While this might seem like a subtle difference, it's a significant one. There's a saying that captures this idea well. It's not the strongest who survive, but those who survive are the strongest. Fifth, I think, therefore I am. René Descartes, cogito, ergo sum. Many people see this as an obvious statement, or simply as an acknowledgement of one's existence. However, this simple phrase is a proposition that asserts an undeniable truth about existence. Start with "if I do not exist," and apply reductio ad absurdum, then expand the logic deductively from there. You'll come to realize just how profound this short phrase truly is.
Knowledge is power.